Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to JEDIOSHI. Today's video is going to be something special for you. We found a gem yesterday. First, I want to apologize about the audio yesterday. Had the background music cranked at 11. I think I figured it out though. We did some work on our tech settings, thumbnails. Look at that flashy thumbnail. I can't make it more flashy. But here we go. Let's look at Bitcoin first. We had a bounce, and yes, we did bounce off 39.5, came up. We're still sideways ranging. I would like to see us move up out of this level from right here at 42.7. So we'll see. I have a kind of an angled line drawn on here, but you know, is this the point where we turn around? I am happy to see this movement, especially this morning with the move up. Alts are responding a little bit better. The leaderboard is FTM up top. Near FTM, Matic, RBN, Hero, 1, Dot, Theta, CRV. All leaders. Look at total 3. We have... Yep, total 3 is hanging in there. 3.5% total. Nice. All right, well, let's get into it. The number one chart from yesterday's review. We looked at a project called ICP, or Internet Computer. I want to dig in on that. So what is Internet Computer? If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can read about it. You scroll down here to the live data. You have to expand on this information, but you read about it. Internet Computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at web speed with unbounded capacity. You know, there's a little bit of marketing in here, but it is a lengthy review here. I think they were able to put it up there, but launched in 2016. It says that, or it was at least funded. Project was founded in October 2016, and look at the backers. Dfinity raised a total of 121 million from Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, SV Angel, and on December 18, 2020, Dfinity launched the Alpha mainnet. So it is a pretty big project. Again, I didn't stop there, but the market cap is 6.7 billion. It's a pretty big project, and this is a project, and the purpose is to extend the public internet so it can be the world's so it can also be the world's compute platform. So you can read about it here, but it's pretty fascinating what they're trying to do here, or what they're doing, really. You can read it. Like, I haven't seen such a lengthy write-up. That doesn't really mean I'm bullish or bearish on it, but it's just, interesting. So, there's a lot to this project. So it's worthy. All right, let's look at the chart. We looked at this chart. This is from last week's close data point. So there's another candle here. We'll look at that, but I wanted to show you what it looks just like and reminds me of. And I have memories from that project. We'll get into that. But again, on ICP, this is the weekly chart. We're ranging sideways at the lows. The ultimate low of around $22. We're ranging sideways. Good volume throughout, but look at this volume candle in last week's volume. It was probably double the average. If you were to draw an average line here, the volume candle is probably double. But what I like to see, it has everything, really. It has the volume candle, it has the RSI coming up through the bottom, through 35, and it looks like OBV broke trend. So, it may need to cool off just for a brief period of time, but this to me looks like heavy accumulation. But again, where it is in the chart, look, it's, it has, like I said it in the Telegram, but it has an intrinsic, kind of a 5x baked in, if you take the wick. But 30 to 150, or there's your 5x. You go 500% right there, and you're still within the body of this candle over here. If you go to the wick, this has a lot of upside. So when you compare it to other projects and other charts, like we do, like an ADA or something that we reviewed yesterday, it's kind of high up there, and you're looking for the next leg, even Luna or any of these projects, right? So you have these classifications, and you have projects that have run that are sort of consolidating at the top or correcting, and you're wondering, are they going to move again or not? And then you have projects like the classics, like we looked at Bitcoin Cash, that ran kind of hot into May and then cooled way off and haven't done a whole lot since. This is in its own class, and I have yet to find more like this, but when I see it, I like it. Again, look at the structure. We got the volume coming in hot. We're popping above 35 in the RSI, and it looks like LBV might be starting a trend. I like this. Okay, what does it look like? What is it? It is EOS 2017. Right here. I was in this project. I was in this trade from about 50 cents. I'll never forget it. The number one indicator was volume at that time. It came down. Nice. Look, it looks the same. If I flash these back and forth, I mean, it's close enough. Same classification, right? Okay, watch this. Volume candle. Price action. RSI coming up from 35. I'm not sure if you class this as a trend break or not, but it sort of could be. And that's quite a few weeks. So, what happened with EOS? Let's take a look. Watch this. Here we go. Cool off week a little bit, and then what? Gone. It ran on two big lobes, which is also interesting. So what are we seeing on everything right now? A lobe and then a higher lobe. There you go. From 50 cents to $20 ultimately. Its first lobe here was a high of 18. I remember that. From 50 cents to 18 at 36x. And if you were around here in 2017, you remember EOS being hot too. And we can stop it here, but let's see how it had its lobe, cool off, final run. Not sure how you wave this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. But there's its cycle. And so it just looks like the start of EOS. ICP does. ICP, to me, looks like we are about here or here. And look at that, 1830, 40x. That potential to me you can't deny this fractal to me. That potential is enormous. All right, well that was my special surprise for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's EOS is the match for ICP, in my opinion. And hope you like that. Please like this video. Please share JEDIOSHI and what we're doing. And please subscribe. And be a part of the community. Follow me on Twitter at JEDIOSHI. Send me a DM if you want to join the Telegram. I'll get you into a community of people aspiring to learn to chart, trade, and be successful in markets. All right, well, enjoy your day. Live stream tomorrow, and until later, have fun.